Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use Airtable to create appointment tracker. Right, so let's see. If you have simple appointment system where you set the date and the name of person and also the duration. Right, if you want to create tracker out of that, you don't have to go much complex. Simply create from scratch. Then next thing, we will wait for the default template to load. Okay, so once loaded, we can get rid of the default fields. Right, as you can see, it has all these fields. Can delete, and here the primary field is name. Right, if I edit this field, change this to auto number and say number or no. Right, so save that, it will auto number generated. Right, every time we create new entry, it should do that. So first thing is we create a single line text where I want to add name of person, then create the field. Right, so next would be the date. Right, so get the date, choose the friendlier format, or you can use the one local to you. Right, so use friendly for a change. Then we have duration field. Right, so we will use duration. So every appointment has a date and duration. So let's say I choose appointment and date 28 or something, then use duration for 1 hour. Right, then you pick another person. Right, then choose the date, then pick one more hour. As you can see, you will have to think over and add, because just adding 2 would get 2 minutes. So you'll have to enter proper hour and minutes format. Let's see another format we have for another date and 1:30. As you can see, this is your grid view. If you want to get the form view for this, go to forms and then simply use appointment tracker, create new view. Right, so here add your appointment here. Right, so name of person, date and duration. Right, now I can open the form and show you how that template is going to look. Right, so let's add something new here. So we add the name of person, then appointment, then duration, and then hit submit. Now what we can do is go to grid view to view the new changes. And as you can see, we have name of person, then date, duration. Right, you can keep on adding the entries and add remove as required.